Hey everybody, today what we're going to do is quick video demonstration on how to replace the water filter for your water system on your refrigerator. This is a KitchenAid. Keep in mind that KitchenAid, Whirlpool and Maytag are all owned by the same parent company. So very likely if you have a Whirlpool or a Maytag and not a KitchenAid, this process will be very similar. Each fridge takes its own kind of filter. This one is called a number 4 filter, and I will put links to where you can get the replacement filters. I got this set of 3 from Amazon. You also get the one sold by Maytag or KitchenAid. We'll put links to those as well. I find these are equivalent. For my purpose, these are good enough. So open your fridge. The old filter is over here. It's very easy to remove. There's a little clip here. Press it and then pull this down. And you can now see the filter. You just turn it counterclockwise. Some water will leak, that's normal, just leave it. So this is the old one. Again, it's a number 4 filter, and I have the replacements over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up and show you how we put it back on. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we're gonna replace the filter. I opened up the new one. Just something to note, you're supposed to replace these every 6 months or after you use about 300 gallons, whichever comes first. The first step is there will be you have to remove this foil or sticker from the top, and you can now go in and tighten this as the replacement one. You have to bring that down at a little angle and push it in, and then now you want to turn it clockwise till it's locked like this. And you can see now it stays up, and then all you do is snap that in till you hear the click. We'll get rid of the old one, and we have now replaced our water filter. We're good to go. The first time you get the water going through, there'll be air in the filter. You'll hear some noise. That's normal. Just let about a half gallon or so of water flow through, so the old filter, if there are any sediments or something from the factory, it'll clean out, and then you're good to go. So it's really easy to replace your filter. This one takes a number 4. If your filter is different, when you open it up, look at the information on it and get the same like for like part. But this one is what a number 4 water filter looks like. Thanks for watching. If you like this and found it useful, give us a like, subscribe. God bless.